Take these glass doors out, I'll remember which one is which. So when I put them out in the front room, I'll have to remember which one is which. Does it really matter? Well, it might not matter, but I'm going to put them back the same way I found them. Okay. And as for those, well, maybe I can show you here. On this one, okay. See on the wheels, you see this wheel assembly here? It's got a screw right there, and then that's it's probably a heavy gauge plastic wheel, and there's another one over there. Well, you can adjust the doors if they're crooked. You can tighten one side up, or loosen one side, tighten up the other, vice versa. You just have to start messing with those to see which way is to lower your doors, which way is to raise your doors. Last thing you want is for it to scrape on the bottom, you know. And if it is, then you raise the door up a little bit, and then you may have to adjust both sides, close the door. If it's not closing exactly, maybe your floor is not level. Maybe and it's bowed and sloped down or something because it's 25 years old and 50 years old, and the foundation's cracked. Who knows? And maybe your wall is not vertically plumb exactly right, but your doors is hitting at the bottom. There's a big old gap up at the top. Well, you can adjust your door to make it fit and to make it so it doesn't drag too. You just have to play with it. Okay, that's a way to adjust your doors. And I popped the door off there. I popped the other door off there. I'm going to get those out of the way, and I was going to show you how. Remember, I said I was going to show you how I take these glass doors off, and that's what this quick little segment is. I have not looked at these yet, but theory has it that I'm just going to lift it up. I'm going to lift it up off the bracket there. The wheels are going to lift up. This top area is going to slip up into the track, into this little track here, and then I just swivel it out. Okay, like this, lift up, swivel out towards me. Okay, now it's off. Now I have to swivel it down further until it gets out of the top. And I've got to remember which one goes where. And okay, same thing with this back one. Lift up, swivel out, and it looks like, let's see, I got to be kind of careful with that. Looks like the plastic top bit came off from before, and that's what was keeping that going cattywampus. And I don't know if there's an extra piece. Here's one piece that came off. That was kind of laying down on the ground. I'll have to look at that. That should fit up at the top. And that keeps the top from slipping back and forth. So I'll have to take a look at that. And I think one of them it came off of one, and one's missing. Now the other one might be in here. I'll have to look at that, and if not, I can at least tell Michelle what's going on with that, and she could take that plastic little bracket, and she might be able to take the plastic bracket and go to the hardware store. She might be able to get like 2 of these for the top of her doors. Okay, I mean, worst case scenario, the doors will still slide, and the top has a little plastic one here, one there, and one of these, this one will either snap here or on the other one, and then she's missing one. Okay, so I'll have to take a reminder on that and see what I can do. I'll probably have to get a punch list going for different things that I can ask her